Now, we will cover how to filter down the number of plots in Mode. This step is optional and helpful for reducing the amount of time a Trelliscope needs to build. For certain datasets, like very large transcriptomics and proteomics datasets, it is possible that there are many plots that are not needed and could be filtered out to reduce build times. When opening this tab in the sidebar, you'll notice that at the bottom of this tab, there is a count of panels followed by an estimation of the build time for the Trelliscope display. If happy with this build time, close this tab and continue. If the data have been paneled by biomolecule, a minimum number of samples filter will appear. Changes made to the minimum number of non-NA measurements for abundance data or non-zero samples for RNA-seq data will be reflected in the number of panels and build times. If statistic results are provided, panels can also be filtered by p-value. If a specific comparison is selected, the p-value filtering will be applied to only that comparison. Otherwise, it will be applied to all comparisons. When happy with selections, close this tab and move on to the Create Trelliscope step. These filters will be automatically applied. If no filters show up, it means that for your specific dataset, there are no valid filtering options. You may skip this step and continue.